Hello guys, welcome back to Random Masters Gamer. So we're playing Mining Simulator, and one of the codes, guys, is super secret code. So yeah, and yeah, if we find more codes and stuff, and we get let's think, 10 likes on this video, we'll do a YouTube video of us doing, what's it called again? Codes for Mining Simulator. And just remember to check out our channel. It is Random Masters with an S at the end. Just saying, just in case if you didn't know. So yeah, my task is to get, let's see, wait, I'm just going to get all this plastic, because I need the plastic. Not these, I don't need them. Wait, I do need them. I'm like, I don't need them. No, I need them. They're my daddy. Boom. So, what was I going to do again, guys? Oh yeah, quest. That's my other quest, guys. I'm too lazy to do it, so impossible. Got 10 of each. 10 plastic, 10 block. Beep. Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna pause it to do some. So guys, I'm back, and guys, so I don't know. Let's just keep digging. Oh yeah, shout out to Kawaii, and then OMG 5006, I think it is. So shout out to him, cause he's like played on Roblox with us and be nice, and he's also subscribed to us. So yeah, shout out to him. So yeah, let's do a quest now. Boom, yeah. I'm just digging random ones. How about I just have silence? Okay, let's trade it this person. I'm actually gonna be nice to him and give me one of that, and then I'll accept. Is that all you need? Or do you want more? Accept. That's just my sister laughing, guys. Probably on a YouTube video, because she always does, and it's annoying. I know how to make myself more like a noob. I'm just gonna see where that thing that guy gave. Can't even remember which one, but let's get the all paid. Equipped. Let's actually have a good look at it. I actually might take a screenshot. Wait. So now I need to get it called. But guys, if you think this is easier way just to take videos, doing this never really works. And it's harder to like upload, and also you can't speak. If you do that, you can't speak. You have to like do speak in the chat for like in Roblox in the game. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that was right. Yep, that was right all along. Just gonna see how I'm doing. I'm doing pretty good actually. What's this? Get out of that space. Oh yeah. I just saw I missed a block. I landed right on there. Okay, let's just be loud. You don't really like people just probably maybe someone will like it, just quite like just doing this. Like instead of speaking, you just like you're just like doing this, just like, and then you just speak in the chat like, I'm back on this simulator. Hi guys, we're doing mining simulator. Blah 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 blah, and then you just play, and then at the end you just remember to like some notification and blah blah blah. Cause that might be, so you might like it quite a bit, but I don't. And guys, what was I gonna say? And if you, I'm just gonna say this. I forgot what I was gonna say, but guys, you've got to check this game out. It's mining simulator. If you haven't, go and check it out. It's so good. So yeah, let's just keep doing. I've made like a game which is called, I done it when I was like 6 about, and then called it like, I don't know if it was 6. I think I did do it when I was 6, and then I named it, but I don't think I like upload it to Roblox. And then I did when I was 7, and I said what does it say again? It said it says testing gear, and I spelled it all wrong. Testing gear and killing zombie, and then I put like this bendy morph thing where you can turn into bendy, and I had this gear wall, and I put like so many zombie spawners. I put like 20, and then I put this in, and it's just a disaster. It's so glitchy, and some of the zombies, this is so funny, they just literally just went into the morph circle with bendies, and then they just turned into bendy. So yeah. Hello.
How long have you been filming for?
Not that long, but guys, I'm just gonna end the video here, so goodbye, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on for notifications.